Hi guys, so today we have to learn how to download the Eclipse IDE. Just go to the browser you have in your system. Just click or just type Eclipse IDE for J2EE developers. For J2EE developers, just go to the first page of Eclipse, and here go to the more downloads. You have to see the the Eclipse IDE versions. Go to the latest one and click on it. Just see here, and according to your system download the .exe file of Eclipse IDE. Just click on it. The next page will be open. Just click on the download, and you have to start downloaded. Let's see the downloading of Eclipse IDE. Here I already downloaded the .exe file, so I pause it. Go to the system you have downloaded the .exe file. Let's see, here I have this file is here, so just click on .exe file and follow the next process. When this page will open, just click on the Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. If you mistakenly choose the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, then you don't get the advanced Java functionalities. If you mistakenly choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers, then how can we provide the advanced Java technologies? Just go to the Eclipse IDE, and here in the right side of the above corner you have to see the open perspective. Just click on that perspective, and here you have to see the lots of perspective, like Git, Java browsing, and Java EE. Just click what you want. So here I want the Java EE functionality, and just click on open it. With that you get the advanced Java functionalities. Just see, again right corner you have to see the symbol of Java EE, and you have to add lots of functionalities also, like Git. Thank you.